How to add skills in your codex. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a skill for your codex application. So first, launch your codex desktop application, and once the application launches, click onto this plugins option at the top right corner. Now within the plugins, you will see this skills option as well. So click onto this skills option, and from here you can simply add any particular skill that you wish. So you can search for any particular skill, or you can also add any skill which are currently present here. So for example, let's say I want to install this particular image gen skill. So what I'm going to do is simply click onto it. I will make it enabled, and I can see that it is already enabled. Apart from that, I can search for any of those which I don't have, like the playwright script. So I will simply click onto this install option, and you can see that the playwright skill has been successfully installed and is now visible right here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.